Okay guys, so in this video today I want to show you how you can easily and quickly spy on your competitors on eBay and find their best selling items. So I found this product on eBay. It is a very good seller and I want to spy on this seller. So I'm going to copy his seller name, copy, and I'm going back to Chili Hunter. I go to research and I click on spy, and then I paste the seller name. Now, if you are dropshipping from Amazon to eBay, maybe you would like Chili Hunter to automatically compare all the products, all the items to Amazon. If you are not dropshipping from Amazon, you don't need to compare results to Amazon. It takes much more time. So I'm going to click on run search, but before that I want to choose which marketplace I want to scrape. So if I found this seller on Amazon, eBay, US, then I want the software to scan eBay US site. If this seller is selling on eBay UK, so I would choose United Kingdom. And if I want to make market research in Germany and I found some seller on eBay Germany, then I would like the software to connect and scan all his products he's currently selling on eBay Germany. Okay, so let's choose United States, and when I click on run search, Chili Hunter starts to scan that seller. Usually it takes a few seconds, maybe 1 minute. Everything is live. Okay, so unlike other software, Chili Hunter can connect to eBay's database live in real time. Okay, great, here we go. And I have the results. Sometimes, as you can see, it is very fast. First of all, I get all the statistics like sell-through rate, how many items listed, income, views, items sold, and all the statistics you need to make decisions. And if I go down, I start seeing these sellers' items, which some of them, and it is okay, are never sold, as some of them are really good sellers. And then what I can do, I can click on table filters, and I can filter all items, for example, that were sold last month, okay, at least one time last month. So I'm looking for minimum 30 days, filter, minimum 1, apply, and you're going to see all his items that were sold last month. So you can look for items sold last month, last week. Okay, great. So I got, as you can see, many items. Each item I have a photo, I have the title. If I click on the title, the software takes me back to eBay to see the exact item. Okay, I can see the price, I can see how many times this item was totally sold, all the selling history. I can see number of views this item had. I can see the efficiency of this item. Efficiency, it means that if 100 buyers are going to click on this listing, are going to see the listings or look at the listing, how many of them are going to make a purchase. So out of 100 buyers or viewers, out of 100 viewers, 1.3, so 100% that at least one is going to buy it. Is pretty good. Efficiency of eBay product or eBay listing that is more than 1% is very good. I can also see when this item was last sold. I can see how many times this item was sold last week, okay, one time, and how many this item was sold last month, also one time. So you really have all the information you need to make your decisions. And don't forget that you have more than one page of results, so you can click on next and you are going to see much more items from this seller. Okay, now on the left side, if you click this small button, you can export this item. So if you are drop shipping, export items is made for sellers who are drop shipping their products from Amazon. If you click export item, then you can take this item straight to your repricing tool and straight to your eBay account. We are going to have separate video about export items feature. You can click on competitors, and then you are going to see other sellers who are selling the same item or lookalike items on eBay. Okay, then you can click on suppliers. So for example, you can try to find this item or lookalike items at Walmart, Kmart, AliExpress or other stores. Sometimes you're going to find exactly the same product. Sometimes you're going to find just similar products, okay, at other suppliers. And the last one, update item, is in case the information is not correct. It happens very, very rarely. Then you can click on update item, and Chili Hunter is going to update all the information about this item in real time. Okay guys, so if you can see, it is very, very easy. You just need to go to eBay, find some seller and spy him with Chili Hunter, and you are going to find a lot of great selling items in no time. Okay, now if I compare results to Amazon, I want to show you how it looks like. Okay, great. Let's filter all these products. For example, I'm looking for products sold at least, let's say one time, last 7 days. Okay, and you can see products sold 3 times, 1 time, 2 times, last week or last 7 days. And you can see eBay price, Amazon price, you can see estimated profit, and you can see all this data. Okay, you can see the same one on Amazon, and you can see the same one eBay. Amazon, usually it is 100% correct.